We learned that a variable is used to store data, but where can we put the variable? Does it really matter if it's inside of main or outside of main, or inside of a function or outside of a function? Well, find out in this video.
King Tut. Hello everybody, this is King Tut here and welcome to the video. If you find this video for the first time and you're on YouTube or BitChute, be sure to like and subscribe. If you're on Vlare, be sure to like and follow. If you're on Library, be sure to follow and download. Thank you.
Let's declare a string variable. And make that equal to I am a variable, followed by 2 exclamation points, and let's put a semicolon to end that statement. And let's output that variable. Let's run this program. What we'll get is the variable itself, which we did. But what if we want to make use of the same variable? We want to print that same variable into another function. Let's do that. Sentence. So what I did here is declared a void function. So like I said in the last tutorial, a void function does not return any value. So let's do that. And let's take that out. And you see here, you got an error. And Cevelop actually checks error automatically. It's kind of like MS Word, except for programming. So the reason why you got this error is because string sentence is declared inside of main and not inside of print. This is called a local variable. This variable is local to main, not to print. To fix this, let's take this out, Control X to cut, and Control V to paste here. And the error is resolved. Let's make, what if we want to have all the functions use the same variable? Let's again Control X for cut and Control V to paste on top of all the functions that are gonna use this. That's called a global variable. And we see here we don't get any errors because this function is making use of this variable. And main, if you want to print it out, it does not have any error because it's making use of the variable that is outside of all the functions. You have to declare on top of all the functions, because if you decide to declare this variable and assign it at the same time, here you're going to get an error in print because computers read from top to bottom, and once it gets to here, it's gonna give you an error because there's no variable sentence that's being declared on top of the print. But when you go to main, it actually does not have an error because it detects the declaration of the string variable, which is sentence, and it tells the computer, okay, I'm making use of that string variable into that output. And we saw that you already declared the variable and assign it in one line. So you need to put this variable on top of all the functions for this to work. I want to recommend global variables because in later tutorials, I'll show you why. But a simple answer to this here is all the functions are gonna assign this variable a lot, and it's getting to the point where it's gonna be buggy. And we don't want our program to be buggy or unusable. We want our program to be usable for other people. So this is why global variables are usually non-existent. So to answer the question in the intro, yes, variable placement, where you put the variables, does matter. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.